And a special thanks and shout out to Community Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram of Martinsville, Indiana for allowing me to come out and film this 2000 Chrysler Cirrus LXI. Hello everyone. Today let's take a detailed, in-depth walk-around look at this very nice and very well-equipped 2000 Chrysler Cirrus LXI. And 2000 marked the end of production for the Chrysler Cloud cars as the company retooled the Sterling Heights plant for the new Sebring and Stratus replacement cars for the 2001 model year. And this Cirrus is painted in champagne pearl metallic and features the camel premium leather interior. And of course, the Cirrus is front-wheel drive, and power comes from the 2.5-liter single overhead cam 24-valve sequential multi-point fuel-injected V6 engine. It creates 168 horsepower at 5,800 RPM, 170 pound-feet of torque at 4,350 RPM. The Cirrus has a curb weight of 3,099 pounds and features a 16-gallon fuel tank. Fuel economy was rated 17 city, 25 miles per gallon highway with a combined rating of 20 miles per gallon. Consumption was rated at 5 gallons per 100 miles driven. And the transmission on this vehicle is the 4-speed Ultra Drive 41TE automatic transmission. It does feature low gear selection. Auto stick was not available on this car. Development of the Cirrus started in 1991 with the goal to create an expressive car that was fun to drive yet safe and economical enough for everyday families. The Cloud cars employed Chrysler's cab-forward design to push the wheels to the furthest corners of the vehicle, creating more passenger space inside. This design tactic resulted in exceptionally larger cabins than competing cars of similar design. Down below you do have a single wide satin silver plated exhaust tip finisher. Nice profile of the notchback styled sedan. And steering is power assisted rack and pinion. Wheels are 15-inch chrome aluminum multi-spoke wheels and feature champagne painted inner pockets. Tires are 195/65 R15 Michelin Defender Green X tires. The brakes on this car are 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. And while the exteriors of the Plymouth Breeze, Dodge Stratus, and Chrysler Cirrus were similar, differences were in the front and rear fascias. They matched the designs of the company's minivans. However, the interiors were very similar, differing only in minor trim pieces and upholstery. As you can see, the front of the Cirrus features the front-end styling similar to that of the Town & Country. It does feature low-profile clear lens headlamps. You have also got fog lamps down below, as well as the egg crate grille that was classic Chrysler styling back in the day with the chrome finisher. The Chrysler wing badge is prominently displayed in the middle of the grille. Alright, let's take a look inside. And inside of this Cirrus is actually exceptionally nice. It's been very well taken care of and very well maintained. The interior does feature a two-tone light and dark camel interior. It does feature power windows, power mirrors, and power door locks. Chrome-plated door pulls, as well as simulated burl walnut trim, highlight the interior. The vehicle does feature a 100-watt premium sound system. Driver's seat is 8-way driver adjustable. It features a manual lumbar support. The seats are in incredibly nice shape. The leather is nice and soft, doesn't have any rips or tears, and the seats are actually pretty supportive and very comfortable. The aftermarket driver airbag deactivation switch, tilt steering wheel. You've also got your headlamp multifunction switch with fog lamp control. Alright, pan through the interior, showing a little more details. As you can see, nice fluid, easy to use, power assisted steering. It does feature a 3-spoke steering wheel, and on either side you do have your cruise controls with your on, off, and cancel buttons on the left, as well as your resume, accelerate, and set buttons on the right. As stated before, you do have the multifunction switch for turn signals and headlamps. You've also got your wiper controls on the right hand side. Classic, easy to read instrumentation, similar to that of the other Chrysler gauges of the time. It does feature a digital odometer. Moving over the top of the dash reveals that the dash is in very nice shape with no cracks, fades, splits, or anything of that matter. Air conditioning in the vehicle works tremendously well too. And this vehicle does feature the AM/FM cassette player. It does feature bass and treble as well as your speaker quadrants. Air conditioning controls are below. And by moving the shift lever out of the way, we can see the cup holders as well as a storage tray, and that features a 12-volt power point. Center armrest flips open to reveal coin holder, deep storage. And overhead on the driver's side sun visor, you do feature a 3-channel home link universal garage door opener. Overhead map lights above the rearview mirror, which is manually dimming. And the passenger side features an illuminated vanity mirror. Sun visors do flip out, but they do not extend. You've also got overhead assist handles. Alright, taking a look at the rear seat. As would be expected, the rear seat does feature a nice amount of space. The door trim is similar to that of the front without the two-tone treatment. It does feature chrome door handles and the burl wood accents. And the rear seat does seat 3 across. It is a single flat folding bench seat. Outboard seats have 3-point seat belts, while the center seat is a lap belt. Nice amount of storage space, or passenger space in the rear seat, with good amount of legroom and headroom and shoulder room. Overhead assist handles and coat hooks. And rear passengers are treated to not only 1, but 2 cup holders. You've also got a mat pocket on the passenger side seat, not on the driver. And folding the seat is easy just by pressing the locking button at the top of the seat and pulling the entire seat back forward. It does fold flat to extend the cargo space. Alright, and opening the trunk is easy by lifting up the lever at the base of the driver's seat. We'll release the trunk. And as you can see, the trunk lid opens nice and wide. It is powered by gas struts and unobtrusive hinges. The luggage area is very nice and spacious at 15.7 cubic feet. Very good for a car of this size during this time frame. It does feature a cargo organizer net. It is fully carpeted. It does feature illumination. And the spare tire with jack and tools is underneath the tire mat. Alright, and this does conclude our in-depth walk-around look at the very nice 2000 Chrysler Cirrus LXI. We hope the review was informative, and as always, thanks for watching.